Okay, after
Okay.
this, we can go by clicking on our story, by scrolling up. We will see the results of how many people have viewed our story. Right now, there is no one at the moment because it was just uploaded, but you would see it above. It tells you exactly how many people have seen your story, and below you would see the result of the survey you have, which was created, for instance, without. Now that we have uploaded our story, it no longer appears the plus button in our circle. But we should do it in this way, then scrolling to the left and adding the story continuously, or the gallery. Okay, so choose it, or if you would like to do it in the moment, it will be enough, and directly from here we can draw a photo. For instance, write what we prefer, green. Okay, fine, and you can always publish your story.